In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Hostinger if you want to keep your account secure. Changing your password regularly is a smart habit. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website or hosting plan. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a quick look around so you can get familiar with the layout. This will make the next steps easier. Next, click on your profile. This is usually located in the upper part of the dashboard, where account-related settings are grouped together. Your profile area is where you can manage personal and security settings, so this is the right place to start when you want to update your password. After that, click on Account Information. This section contains the main details connected to your Hostinger account, including settings related to login and security. If you don't immediately see the password option, just look carefully through the available account settings because it should be listed there. Once you find it, simply click on Password. This will open the area where you can change your current password to a new one. At this point, enter the new password you want to use. It's always a good idea to choose something strong and unique, with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if the platform allows it. Avoid using easy-to-guess information, and make sure the password is something secure but still manageable for you. Then, go ahead and confirm the change if prompted. After saving the new password, your update should take effect right away. In some cases, you may be asked to log in again using the new password, so be ready for that. And that's it. That's how you change your password in Hostinger. As a final tip, store your new password somewhere safe, such as a trusted password manager, so you don't lose access to your account later. Keeping your login details updated is a simple but important part of protecting your hosting account and your websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.